In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dub voice in Descript. Whether you're looking to translate your content into another language or simply want to employ some creative storytelling, efficiently dubbing audio can elevate your projects to a new level. Let's delve into the process step by step to make it simple and accessible. We begin by visiting Descript. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Make sure your account is set up properly because you'll need access to all of Descript's tools to complete this tutorial. Once you're in, navigate over to your account section, which is generally found at the top right of your screen. Here you'll find a list of options that include all the accounts associated with your profile. Click on the existing account you wish to use for your dubbing project. With your account selected, proceed to the AI Tools section. Descript continually updates this feature, so it's packed with some of the most innovative audio tools available. Once inside the AI Tools section, you'll want to locate a subsection called Repurpose. This gem of a feature is what allows you to translate your audio into different languages. After opening Repurpose, head to the Translate section. This is where the magic really starts to happen. A new menu will appear, letting you choose from a variety of languages into which you may want to translate your original audio. Choose the language that fits your project. It's a good idea to preview your current audio and double-check your translation choice. Next, it's time to dub your speech. Clicking on the Dub Speech option will lead you to another choice, selecting an AI speaker. Descript offers a range of AI voices, so you can select the one that best matches the tone and style of your project. You might want the voice to sound similar to the original speaker or completely different, depending on the effect you're going for. Once you've finalized your choices, click Submit. Now the system will take a moment to process your request, transforming your original audio into a newly dubbed track in the chosen language with the AI voice you selected. This step might take a few minutes, so feel free to take a short break while you wait. Once the processing is completed, your new audio track will be available for you to review. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dubbed version of your original audio using Descript. With this tool, you can now reach new audiences, engage your listener base in different regions, or add an extra layer of creativity to your storytelling. Remember to always keep experimenting with different voices and languages to find what works best for your unique needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this process as exciting and useful as I do.